Hello everyone, this is Luke Woodard bringing you another 3-Minute Thursday. Today we're going to look at how to save time by using direct editing methods on non-native SolidWorks parts. Have you ever gotten a Parasolid, Step, or IGES file from a customer or supplier website only to realize the dimensions didn't quite fit? And then you spent the rest of the afternoon trying to recreate a SolidWorks model. After this, you'll never have to do that again. Before we get started, a quick word on file types. If you can't get a native SOLIDWORKS file, your next best option is a Parasolid file, as that is the modeling kernel SOLIDWORKS uses. Your second and third best options are a STEP and IGES file, respectively. Here I found a Parasolid model of a mountain bike bash guard. However, I wanted to make some straightforward changes to make it work for my purposes. Those include 1. Fill in the slotted holes. 2. Increase the outer diameter by 20 millimeters. 3. Increase the bolt hole circle diameter by 10 millimeters. And 4. Replace the chamfers around the holes with fillets. While I don't have features in my feature tree to edit, if I think of the model in terms of faces and surfaces, I can use the direct editing techniques to make the changes I want instead of remodeling the whole thing. To fill in the slotted holes, I can simply start a sketch on the top face and use the almighty Convert Entities tool to convert the model edges to sketch parameters. From there, we can create a feature just like normal and merge it together with the rest of the model. For the increase in OD, I'll use the Move Face command to offset the face 10 mil out, increasing the diameter by 20 mil. Notice how the top and bottom faces get extended automatically when we do this. For the bolt holes, I'll again use the Move Face command, but instead of the Offset option, I'll have to use the Translate option. Because these holes exist in a circle, I'll have to do this to each hole individually. Finally, I don't like the way those chamfers look, and would much rather have fillets. For this case, I'll use the Delete Face command. This is a great tool to fix up bad faces, get rid of unwanted faces, or even use surfacing to make better transitions between faces. Here we'll use the Delete and Patch option, which will extend out the adjacent faces to fill over the old face. This is the option I default to, but if it doesn't work, try Delete and Fill, which creates a new face altogether. From there, we can just add fillets to the edges like we normally would. There we have it. In just a few minutes, I've made some basic changes to make this imported part usable to me. Next time you think you'll have to remodel an imported part, just remember these direct editing techniques.